Hello students, today I am taking up this session to explain to you the substitution method that we use. It is used to solve a system of linear equations in two variables. So this is a topic for class 10th and I am following the NCERT textbook. In that we have a chapter of linear equations in two variables where we solve the system of equations using different methods. The graphical method is already explained in one of my earlier videos. Now we are taking up the algebraic methods. In this method, the first one is the substitution method. Substitution method is the one which we already used in earlier classes for different purposes. We have two equations. We take the value of a variable from any one equation and put that value in the other equation. So this is called substitution. Then we solve the equation and it becomes like an equation in one variable. We get the value of first variable, then we substitute it back to the original equation and get both the values. So, see it is. So, I have taken these equations 3x minus 5y equal to minus 1 and x minus y equal to 1. So, since in both of these equations I see that the second equation looks simpler one, so I will take the substitution from here. Let me take the value of x from here. X is equal to minus 1 plus y from equation number 2. So I'll put this value in equation 1. Here you can write substituting also. So in place of x, 3 into x, I will write this value of x. Minus 1 plus y. Minus 5y equal to minus 1. So I'll multiply it like this. Minus 3 plus 3y minus 5y equal to minus 1. So 3y minus 5y will be minus 2y and minus 3 goes to the other side. Minus 1 plus 3. So this is 3 minus 1, 2. So we see that y will be equal to 2 upon minus 2, which will be equal to minus 1. Now we have got y. Now we have to find x. Let me put this value of y in equation number 2. I'll write the equation 2 first. And this value of y minus 1 I'll substitute here. So it will become x minus minus 1 equal to minus 1. So this is x plus 1 equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 2. Thus I get the values x equal to minus 2, y equal to minus 1. So this is the solution of our system of equations by the substitution method. Thank you.